Hey, what's going on? Bounty Rush community, it's your homeboy Chris. Coming at you with the first opening matches of this serious challenge. And I guess it's to use the characters you have, and uh yeah, I'm using this shit. So we're gonna start with Blackbeard and Shanks. And then probably in the next match I'll switch over to, I don't fucking know. Think of somebody. As far as this Bounty Fest goes, I don't think I'm gonna pull. I don't know yet. I'll have to go through the details and shit, but I never, have leaks and show you shit of like who's coming out soon and blah 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 blah. Because there's other YouTubers that do that. I just show you the bullshit gameplays. So let's go ahead and get this motherfucker started. As you can see, we have Arlong Park stage and Alabastard stage. So, whatever I get, I get. Let's go ahead and hop into this. And Roman, he's a YouTuber. I like some of his shit, pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and get in our first match. As always, I appreciate you guys. Fuck. Whatever. Okay, as always, I appreciate you guys, watching this with me, watching me play, and making a fool of myself. Why did I not switch? I should have switched to fucking Shanks. I'll bet my damn life there's gonna be 3 Blackbeards. I just fucking know it. Alright. So we are just fucking Defender City. Well, 2 Blackbeards. Close enough, though. Let's see. So I can't go to point A because there's 3 of us, and that'll just be dumb, so I'll just be stuck going to B. There's literally no fucking runner. I like when he dodges. Alright, so this is just gonna be a duke 'em out, man. I mean, why didn't I dodge? Alright, we're already getting fucking tore up. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, there it is. This just went from fucking... Unless this might be Connection Unstable episode 9. Because that... And I'm sitting here just yapping away. I'm waiting for my fucking shit to come back. Fuck away from me, bitch. Man, you guys see that shit? Whoa, my goodness. I'm glitching like a motherfucker. God damn it, man. I just want to have a good fucking match without this bullshit. See if I can catch that gear 4. Nope. Too slow, but I'll go down there and run and help Kuma out and take that too. Alright, so this isn't going as planned. Keep fucking attacking him, bro. Was this fucking Shanks like invincible? Motherfucker. Oops. Slip of the thumb. Oh, man. That was a slip of the thumb. Rookie move. Boy. We need to get some fucking flags, bro. Okay, so I don't really play as Shanks. Get over here, get over here. Oh no, I'm trying to help you, bro. See if I can take the pressure off you. Get out of here, bitch. Alrighty. I don't play as this motherfucker. That was like the gayest fucking hit. Oh, I don't mean to say gayest. That was like the fucking... My bad. Alrighty, so we fucking lost. I played like shit. I had connection unstable. Well, who gives a fuck, right? So I went 2-1, so I was fucking Garbo. Sorry, team. Let's try. Sorry about saying that thing being gay. Don't mean to fucking say shit like that, so I apologize. Alrighty, so I guess we get crusty ass fucking battle points. Good lord. And these are challenges. Okay, so whatever. Okay, what's the challenge? Event. Nope, don't care. It's daily. Any mode with attackers and defenders. So, alrighty. I don't want to be boring with fucking these two. So, let's go ahead and switch it up. Let's try. Who have I never played with before? I did see that. I had a cool looking Kaido. That's how Law says him. Kaido. How about Nightmare Luffy? No, I need an attacker. Let's see. A good attacker. How about we try... I don't want to be kidding. How about we try... That's Porky Pig. Fucking dog. Let's just go with Katakuri. Donuts. Lovely donuts. Alright, so I've never really used these two in League. So well, probably ain't gonna be no better than I did in that first fucking match, man. That fucking connection unstable bullshit. Alrighty, so match number 2. And again, you know, as I always say, you're not gonna get the tips, the tricks of the trade from me. I fucking play like I do. God damn, we got all nothing but fucking defenders, man. That's how I roll, man. I'm just I'm your different option from, you know, the serious gamers and, you know, everybody fucking, this is what you gotta do, these are the fucking medals you gotta put on, and you gotta dodge here, you gotta bait this fucking dodge, and blah 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 blah. I'm the fucking raging clown. Alright, so Kaido is gonna probably be slow. I'm fucking tongue twisting like a motherfucker again. His dodge is okay. There's something I'm gonna have to get used to. Why would you be Chopper, bro? That's probably all you have. Alright, so I guess I can get drunk and just start mollywopping people, but I'll wait until the... Fuck. Get the fuck out of this fucking storm, man. I guess I can get drunk and start beating shit out of people, because... Looks like these... What am I doing? Alright, I got my first kill with Kaido. With Kaido. Alright, you fucking idiots. Don't get fucking stuck on fighting one person. I guess I'll come over here and try to get this, but I see someone in my view. Of course, it's fucking Shanks. Oh, boy. Oh, he got me. Motherfucker. Try to take out this Kuma. Man, get the fuck out of the storm, bro. This shit ain't no joke. Take This flag. You can take this flag and shove it, motherfucker. Alright, someone's got to cover D. Ooh, nice play, bro. I just took his ass out. Kaido is fucking fun. I'm gonna have to fucking, I'm gonna have to get out of this fucking storm. Okay, you can King Kong all you want, homie. Nope, not today, son. Fuck out of here. You too, bitch. Alrighty, that made up for my fucking Blackbeard fucking upload. Or my first match. I kicked some ass right there. Of course I should have been MVP. I would have done fucking mollywopped everybody. He is fucking fun. I'm just saying that because I did decent. Alrighty, so there's match number 2. I mean, 3 for 3. I mean, what the fuck, right? That was pretty cool. Alright. So we're climbing up the ranks. I hope this isn't fucking... Oh, man. There's been a lot of shit going on around the community, but I'm not going to talk about it. But... oh, boy. Okay. So... got that out the way. We're going to go ahead and start match number 3. Get off this fucking shit. Let's see. Get over here. Challenge battle. I do like Kaido. I really fucking do. That was kind of fun. Let's go ahead and... you know what? I'm going to do Kaido again, but I'm going to use Nightmare Luffy. Good grief. Change. I said Nightmare Luffy, so let's go Nightmare Luffy. What the fuck am I doing? Alright. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go to match number 3. Ugh. Strength characters. Alright. So, Arlong Park again. Is that Nami from Discord? I'm gonna stay. Oh shit, this motherfucker already got both of them. So I guess we're gonna see some gameplay of fucking Fujitora and was this like the 100th fucking Sabo? Oh shit, I'm jealous. I really don't want to fucking go ape shit on this, but knowing me, I'm probably going to. I'll have to buy about 400 rainbow diamonds to get 750 so I can at least get a ticket. Man, I don't want to fucking spend that. I want a EX bounty character. I can't see, so Shanks might get me. Nope. Okay, that motherfucker's not... let's get drunk. He hits hard. Oh, I cannot dodge that shit. Why would you use these two fucking 2-star characters? You dumb shit. And your fucking team's probably like, this stupid ass motherfucker. Why is he fucking having 2 stars on my fucking team? You son of a bitch. Kaido is fucking fun. I'll help you out, partner. No, I won't. How did that shit fucking hit me? I'll just go take a flag then. I don't give a fuck. This fool really trying. Oh shit. Well, that's that. Let's try some Nightmare. Look at that fucking idiot Wano Zoro just standing there. No one has taken out this Fujitora yet. Well, let's go fight him. Yeah? No, let's just be Blackbeard's bitch. Fuck it, I'll just rank up fucking shit with... I've never played as him, so I don't know his fucking range. I've never played as Nightmare Luffy. Get up, fool, you're so slow. Turn around, fool! Damn, bro. Well, we're getting fucking ran. That Fujitora still hasn't fucking died yet. Ah, what can you do? Good job. Well, you said sorry, so you get it. Great. I didn't really get any look at that Fujitora. I was gonna go fight him, but then I got stuck fighting fucking Luffy. Were you a bot? No. Or you just re-rolled? So these are both Bounty Fest characters. Wow. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into our 4th game. But I decided to give a PR to a guy who's on Discord. His name is Garp. And he's a up-and-coming YouTuber. And he always gives me shit all the time. So I'm going to portray him, and I'm gonna give him some help him try to blossom his YouTube channel. So I'm going to act like him, portray him during a match on how he talks and how he describes a match, and this might be able to give him some foot traffic. So I think I want to use some good characters, so I'll use Blackbeard, who I can't find. Oh, can you only use them once or something? Well, there's Ace. I must have passed Blackbeard. Where the fuck is he? Okay, I just saw Shanks. I'll use Blackbeard and Kaido, fuck it. That seems like a fun combination. Change. I want to use Blackbeard. There's Shanks. That's odd. I can't use Blackbeard. Change. Well, maybe I guess once I change, I mean, is that it? can't be, because why the fuck is Shanks right here? Okay. So if I was to change again, see, he's fucking cancel, change. It's really weird. Okay, so I'll just put him there, and then I'll put Kaido right number 2. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna I'm gonna do a match as Garp. So this would be a little fun. So let me he has a little lower voice than me, so I gotta channel in my inner feminine fucking voice. So let's see if we can try it, okay? Here's a test run.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Garp. I'm gonna be using the stinking pirate Blackbeard and that stinky pirate Kaido. And, you know me, I'm Navy HQ. I like a man in uniform. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I hope I'm gonna do good for you guys. So I'm gonna use Blackbeard. And, he's got a pretty cool laugh. He goes, ha ha ha. Yeah, that's how he laughs. And, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I hope I'm good. So, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. I know I'm a little boring. Maybe it's because of my voice. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start running. And, I'm gonna get this first flag. But this other Blackbeard's trying to get it, but I beat him first. Ha ha ha. Oh, I did the laugh again. And look at this, who's that? Look at that ace trying to come over here and sneak that flag. I'm gonna come over here and grab him. Because I'm Blackbeard. Ha ha ha. Okay? I couldn't suck him towards me, and normally I usually suck any guy towards me. Oh, that's an inside joke. Hope you caught it. Ha ha ha. So I'm gonna get him right there. Did I miss him? Maybe I did. Oh, he's running away. But I caught him right there. So that's a punch. And I'm gonna be an asshole and get this meat because I'm known to get a lot of meat. Ha ha! I'm gonna go ahead and come in here and help my fellow Blackbeards because we're non-talented players. And I see a Sabo, so I'm gonna punch him. But Akuma knocked me off my ass, so maybe I could take out this Sabo. Come over here and help my guys out. Oh, I'm getting punched. I'm gonna try to stop him from punching my crew. And of course I miss, but he's kicking my ass. Oh, got him in the wind. I'll chase him down, but oh. Maybe I can catch him right there, do I? Nope. But I can catch him right there. Do I catch him right there? Nope. Oh, I got him right there. Oh, but there's a Shanks. I don't know how he caught me. I'm trying my best, guys. I know my YouTube channel's a little boring, but I'm trying my best. So I'm going to go ahead and start punching him down. You know, because I can always beat anybody down. Kind of like meat. Get it? Beat your meat. Ha ha ha. Alright, so now I'm going to fight, actually, I'm just going to get my ass kicked for a time being. Sorry, guys, I'm trying. Hope you tune in to me next time. Ha ha ha. I'm kind of fighting everybody. You know, I do like getting gangbanged, but not in this form of way, if you know what I mean. Ha ha ha. So I'm going to try to go ahead and over here and grab this flag. Oh, no, wait. I'm getting fucked up. So maybe I'll suck this Blackbeard over to me. Wait, let me get on my knees. Ha ha ha. So we're doing pretty good right now, guys. Remember, be a YouTube subscriber to YouTube Garp. Oh, we might lose. You guys better guard the treasure, please. Here I come. Super Kaido. We're gonna lose. Oh, we won. Alright. I hope you enjoyed my Garp YouTube one.
See, ha ha ha. Alrighty, there's a game. I don't know what fucking game that was. Game number 3 or 4. Who gives a fuck, right? I didn't do bad. Or Garb didn't do too bad. Boy, this scoring is fucking low. Do I want to do another video? Nah, I think 3 matches is good enough. I don't want no long ass fucking video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it made you laugh. I didn't fucking really rage on shit, except maybe that first man with that stupid connection stable. I hope I help out Homeboy Garp with his YouTube and get him some more viewers and shit. Other than that, I mean, I'm probably just going to call it a night. So, as always, I thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing, watching, and giving me feedback on my videos. Normally, a lot of them are all positive, saying I'm funny and blah, 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 blah. And they like my raids, so that's always a good thing. So, with that, I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next upload. Take care.